This is actually a very exciting time for regenerative medicine and physicians that are offering regenerative therapies to their patients. And as the science is evolving so swiftly, Plymouth Medical has always been very, very passionate about bringing evidence-based medicine, evidence-based products and solutions without all of the marketing fluff. We get straight to the data, and SDARTs have sort of really enabled that. I'll be honest, this is from a very honest point of view. This conference this year has actually been one of my favorites. We've had fun all through it. We've met some new people, we've met some old friends as well. And really from Plymouth Medical's perspective, we'll be back next year and for the years to come because we really enjoyed ourselves.